Welcome to Market Analysis Channel, your one-stop analysis channel for crypto markets. Today I will be doing analysis on Ethereum. Ethereum has been showing a very good move now, and lots of traders have been making money from it, but I'll run through an entry price for you, and I'll also show you the projection, which is the next target point for traders who are trading Ethereum. I'll show you the initial entry, and I'll also explain to you the additional entry which you can add more to your position. Let me get into this trade into this analysis in detail. I'll be starting from point 4. When you look at the chart at point 4, that was when Ethereum hit a resistance and the prior rally stopped. Then it started having a correction. The correction was so much, it stopped at the 50-day moving average. It has this outside bar. When the outside bar occurs, the outside bar puts in several inside bar on the chart. Let me count the inside bar that will occur after this outside bar. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 inside bar. And next we have a bar that closes upward the outside bar, which shows that the trade ought to continue. But something happened next, which is the next bar that opened is a strong reversal bar. It has a high volume. It's now telling us that the seller finally gained strength and they sent Ethereum back again to the downside. And as Ethereum was dropping drastically, Ethereum finally now gets a boost from the buyers. This is the bar that brings Ethereum back to life and it stops the downward correction. How? When this bar occurs, the volume is a little bit above the average volume. That confirms the strength of the buyers. And the bar closes towards the top of its range, which is very good. After that, the downward pressure stopped and the price started having bar that are in small tight trading. As we have all these small tight trading bar, it's telling us that the buyers and sellers are fighting a battle. We are now hoping for who will win the battle, and that will determine the next line, the next direction which Ethereum will be heading, either upward or downward. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 range bars that is still happening at the moment. So they are still undecided now, and when you look at the volume of these 7 bars, they are well below the average volume, which is telling us that buyers and sellers are dragging something in between, and whichever direction that Ethereum break out to, that will be the next move. What do we need? We now need a bar that will close upward just like this particular bar, and the volume should be huge, what we mean is to be above average volume. Once that happens, then we will know the buyers has won the battle to the upside and rally will continue. There are several factors that we are watching towards and which will let us know if there is possibility for the buyers to win this battle. And one, when you look at the chart from the left hand side, you see the prior resistance zone, which is in red. It has now become the support zone which the buyers have tried to stop the downward correction, and they are now kicking against the sellers. So that is like indication 1, and as the price keep showing this type of range tight trading and less volume, it's telling us too that the sellers have lost momentum and maybe the buyers are preparing and know when to kick off the rally. That is on the actual price action, what is happening at the moment. So our entry price will be immediately we have an upward close bar and the volume is above average volume, just any bar that is like this type of pattern, we will enter our trade on Ethereum, and our focus will now be on the next point to add more to our position, which is at point 4. Immediately Ethereum rise to point 4 and it break above it as well, we will add more to our position because we know from there it has finally confirmed that the uptrend has resumed in Ethereum. Let me now zoom into this analysis, and so you can see the big picture of what has been happening and how Ethereum has been behaving for some time now. When you look at the charts now, you can see from the left side, the market bottom, it had a little rally and a lower high at 0.2 and 0.1, and from there the rally run drastically to 0.2. It rests a little bit because it made some resistance and it makes some correction back to 0.3, which is on our 200-day moving average. It got supported from there and it pushed up drastically to 0.4. When it finally gets to 0.4, it has to rest a little bit, and that's exactly what it's doing. It now come back to the 50-day line and now at the support zone, which is its prior resistance. So if we finally have the bar that reverse the price upward, which is an upward close bar with a volume above average, and the price come up to 0.4 and break above 0.4, which resumes the uptrend, our next target will be 3,370. That's where Ethereum is heading now. This is the analysis for Ethereum. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, like the video, paste your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next analysis. Bye bye.